Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this course, we will cover everything about Certified Scrum Master or CSM. So get ready to be bombarded with knowledge. In this video, we will see what is CSM, what are different Scrum Master certification providers, and how to get certified. What is Certified Scrum Master Certification? So, CSM certification is a qualification you need if you want to become a high-end certified Scrum Master. It's a critical leadership role that will give you lots of career benefits, including increased recognition and credibility. Scrum Master can help you to create effective and productive working environment and guiding others to understand Scrum values. The concept is straightforward. Agile practices are being adopted in project and product management across many industries right now, and the Scrum Master is a vital leadership role within Agile development. So, the Certified Scrum Master qualification is a certification that gives professional awareness of the methodologies and values of Scrum, including team performance and accountability. This certification is globally recognized by various industries, including information technology, automobile, infrastructure, manufacturing, and many other industries across the world. CSM enables you to work across major companies like Accenture, Bosch, Deloitte, Tata Consultancy Services, Honeywell, IBM, Amdocs, Adobe, Visa, Mastercard, Entity Data, and Cognizant, and many more. Let us see different Scrum Master certification providers. There are three major Scrum Master certification providers. Scrum.org for Professional Scrum Master, that is PSM certification. Scrum Alliance for Certified Scrum Master, that is CSM certification. Scrum Alliance is the largest certification and membership organization for Agile and Scrum. The organization enables more and more companies to adopt Scrum. Besides this, it also facilitates proper and effective Scrum practices. Additionally, it facilitates a strong network of Scrum. And we do have Project Management Institute for Agile Certified Practitioner, that is ACP certification. How to get CSM certified? Step 1. You must attend face-to-face session with a certified Scrum trainer or a certified Agile coach. So enroll for CSM course. Step 2 is you must have at least 14 hours of online classes or face-to-face classes with your certified Scrum trainer. Step 3. Scrum Alliance will send you a link to create login credential once successful completion of the course. Click on the link received from Scrum Alliance and create your own login credential. Next step is take the 1 hour online CSM exam, which consists of 50 MCQs by using those credentials. All questions are objective and no negative marking. You have 1 hour to complete the test once you start. The exam can be taken online. You need to score 37 out of 50 to pass the CSM test. You have 2 attempts to pass the exam free of cost within 90 days. More than 2 attempts will cost you $25. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. To get all the notification from this channel, don't forget to click on the bell icon.